Hello guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to code permissions for permissions X on your Minecraft server. A lot of people don't really know how to do this, and a lot of the tutorials out there don't really do a good job at explaining, no offense, but I have basically taught myself how to work with permissions and how to set up commands and everything for it, and how to get it working if it's broken and stuff. So I'm going to show you how this works and how you can set up your own permissions file. And let's get started. So first I'm going to show you how, what all this stuff does basically. This is just the top part. It's required. It's not even a part of this. So then you move on to this. This is currently the name of this rank or ladder, whatever you want to call it. Guest is going to be my first one. And default, this right here makes it so that when you join the server, this will be your rank, but only if you're new. Then the permissions, will move on to that next, well, after all this shit. And the prefix. This is very important, because what it does is it puts it in front of your name, telling other people what rank you are. Because if you don't really have that, it's hard to tell, and shit like that. So, let's see. For a beginning, we are going to do color codes, because that's basically required. Let's make blue, gray, guest, and blue, and the chat color should be white. You can get an entire list of color codes if you don't know how to use the color codes for Minecraft, and I will be posting that in the description. And you have these options down here. These are not really that important except for this. This is one of the most important, I think, parts of this entire section. So what you have to do is, well, what this is it's basically, I don't know, I'm trying to think of a way to explain this. This is the level that the rank is in. So, for example, this would be 1. Then, if you're going to make a second rank, which is going to be like, I don't know, member, you would make that 2. So, I'm pretty sure you get the drift with that. So permissions. This is the main base part of this entire plugin. You need to work with this to be able to get your entire server to work, basically. If you want to have permissions, shit like that. So what you do is you press enter, go down, and I recommend you remove tab, because for some reason the coding, it really doesn't agree with the tab button, so you never want to use tab in this. So you're going to type dash and then the permissions code that you get with the plugin. For example, essentials dot spawn. That gives this rank the permission to go to the spawn, or this group, whatever you want to call it. And this can be very sensitive. It's not as easy as you would think, I guess you could say. For example, you could give someone the permission to do essentials dot home. So now they can do /home, but the only catch is they are not allowed to do essentials dot set home. So you basically have no reason to have this if you don't have this. And if you don't have this, then you have no reason to have this. So essentials has so many commands, it's not even funny. I couldn't even name all of them. No one could, I don't think, not even the person who created the plugin. So well, actually you can, whatever. But you can go on to the Essentials plugin main page, and there is an entire list of every single one of these commands that you can put inside of here. And yeah. So let's see. Next, I guess I'll show you this. This is my current setup for my server. This is what I use. So I will be posting this inside of the description in case you want to have a copy. So 1100. I don't know why I really did this, but let's see. This is wrong. Now that I think about it, you want that to be like 9. Then member would be 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, so on, so on, so on. So that's basically what I have here. You have to be careful that if you're going to be copying and pasting, which is perfectly fine, you do not want to, accidentally copy 9. Because if you copy that, then when you do a promotion, it's going to kind of be like, which one do I choose? And it's just going to pick a random one. So, you have to make that 8. You just got to remember to do that, and you'll basically be fine. Now, with this, let's see, when you're adding something new, like HeroChat.join.global, new plugins can be kind of weird. So, let's say their code doesn't work. When you join your server, your console's going to be filled with errors, and it's going to lag, and you're not going to have a tag on the front of your name. What you do is you come into this file. You can do edit, undo, or control Z. That's what I do. Just undo everything you did, save the file, reload your server again, restart it, whatever you need to do, and it should fix the problem. If not, then you might have to reload your entire permissions file. Fill it in with something new. I've had that happen to me multiple times. That's why I recommend backing up this file before editing it. And also a very important thing before you even start with working with permissions. If you've been having trouble, like whenever you edit your permissions, the server won't start correctly and you're getting the same problem that I was just talking about, it's because you do not have Notepad. Notepad++. This is a very nice program. It's made just for coding, stuff like this, other stuff. And if you don't have it, basically all the code that's inside of this gets combined and, mushed into one big thing, and the server doesn't know how to read it. The plugin doesn't know how to read it. So when you use Notepad++, it keeps it like this. Unlike regular Notepad, it just, combines it all and ruins everything. So, yeah, that's basically how it is. When you want to add something new, it's very simple. Just add the new thing, press it right up against there, and rename it to member, whatever you want. I'm going to change that to 2, and member. And basically, oh yeah, you gotta change this too. I don't really know what that does because I've never had a problem with that, but yep, then you can add your new permissions for this player for, like, a recommendation from me, essentials.tpa. And that's another catch. If you want to add TPA, you want to do essentials.tp except, misspell. So I hope this video helped you guys. If you have any problems at all, feel free to contact me and I can help you with this, because I know most other people who make these videos will not respond. They don't know how to help you, but I mean, you could go into a Skype call with me, anything you need, and I'll be able to help you. Stay in contact, stuff like that. I'll be checking the video every once in a while for new comments, checking my emails. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope it helps you out. Thank you.